Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item I actually purchased myself. This is for me. I'm looking for a backup system, and I did a lot of research online, and this Qnap seems to fit the bill. So do a quick unboxing. I want to show you what's in here. Stay tuned for future videos. I'm getting some hard drives that come in. We're going to install the hard drives and just give you an idea of how this is working. So this is a DAS, direct access system, I believe it is, or DAS for designed to do different ways of backing up. You can do them tandem, you can do them mirrored, you can as a whole drive, you can do all kinds of different configurations, Mac and PC based. I'm pretty new to all this, so I don't know a lot about it, but I did a lot of research, and I just want to show you what I received. This is a 2-bay system. I just want to open and just show you what I got. That way you'll know exactly what it looks like when you open up. Let's take everything out of here, out of the box. Take this out. Take this out. Here's the box itself. This is how it came. So it's called a Qnap. Okay, this is the box came. This is a 2-bay. They have a 2-bay and also a 4-bay. So I elected for the 2-bay. I think that's enough for me. I'm going to basically do a mirror. So both of these will be recording at the same time. That way there's any issues, I have redundancy. And that's the idea behind having a backup, is redundancy. So this is the box made out of plastic. In the back is a fan. And these are dip switches. Now these dip switches, you can control the RAID, I believe, or the different modes. You can do the whole drive, or you can do mirror, or you can do partials, things like that. Does have a tiny, tiny little on-off power switch, which is really cute, very tiny. That is really small. And then a DC input power right here. And also there's a lock if you want to lock it. There's a certain configuration of setting it up. We'll do that later. I just want to go the unboxing and just show you what it is and how it's made. So here it is right here. These bays are super easy to open. You just open this up. You install the hard drive in here. They give you all the clips and everything you need inside. You pop them in there. You basically set up your RAID configuration, hold this button down, and it kind of configures it. That's pretty much the quick cliff notes, but pretty easy. But this is how it comes. This is a 2-bay, again, made out of plastic. And they give you a 5-year warranty, which is really nice. So I thought that was really good. And in here, they give you the little screws and the things that you need, a little key. These have locks on them, so you can lock these, which is nice. I know. I mean, if you have kids that want to come out and start pulling out your hard drives, that's or peanut butter jelly sandwiches stuffed in there. I've had that happen. Not here, but you know what I mean. So it tells you that. Also, it tells you tells you the status, the USB hookups, and also the status of each drive. So if a drive fails, it'll tell you if a drive fails. So if a drive does fail, you pop out the drive, you put the new drive in, and you're good to go. What happens once you do that, it'll automatically start backing up whatever's on this drive will go onto this drive, and it constantly mirrors the drive and then constantly backs everything up as you need, which is really good. And that's what's it. So this gives you all the little screws and things to put those drives in here. Very easy to use, a little key, little screws, very, very simple to do. Not complicated at all. Small power supply. Okay, you don't need a ton of power to run these, obviously. It's very small. And then the cord, a power cord, that's what's in here as well. Put this over here. Also a USB-C to USB 3.0. Okay, it's probably a 3.1 hopefully, or the newer 3.0, but there's a USB-C. So I'm just going to get a USB-C to USB-C jack directly into my Mac Pro. That's how that works. Again, it does have the warranty card in here, information, and a small manual. And hopefully it gives you all the information. I haven't read it over yet. I just want to do the unboxing about configurations and how to set up the RAID, I guess. That's what I really want to do. RAID 1, RAID 0, JBOD, and individual. So that's how that. So you can set these up really simple. I believe I'm pretty sure I want RAID 1. So to mirror, I'll double check on that, just to double check. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. This is, again, all new to me. All this stuff is new to me. I didn't want to get a NAS system. A DAS is direct connect. The NAS is more of a network. That's the difference between those two, I believe. Again, warranty card. So quick unboxing. Just want to show you what's in here. This is what I got. So stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link down below for this product. I think it's cool. It seemed the simplest to set up and the simplest to use. And that to me was a big deal. The warranty seemed really good. The company seems pretty good from what I read online. I've seen nothing really bad about it. The idea is to have a backup redundancy. You can get those single backups all the time. You get them at Costco, BJ's, Best Buy, whatever, but they're just a single drive. And if that fails, you're done. Okay, and you can't have that. You need redundancy. So you can get the 4-port if you really want redundancy. You can break it up in quarters, all kinds of different configurations with that. But this to me, I think is enough for what I'm doing. My YouTube channel, I want to back up my YouTube content. I want to back up what I'm doing. And I think these two, I got two 10 terabyte cards. 72 RPMs, two 10 byte, yeah, 10 terabyte, my God, two 10 terabyte hard drives that are designed for this. And I'll leave links down for those as well. And those are coming. This takes about a week to get them. I think they must be out of stock or a back order, whatever. So you have an idea exactly the size of this. I think that's important as well. So about 8.5, 4 inches, 6.5. So it's not too big. So it's a good small footprint. The other one's a lot larger. I don't think I need that at all. I think this is fine to start with for a beginner. This is perfect. They're reasonably priced. I think it was like $160, under $200. And it comes with everything you see here. The hard drives, I did buy them separately. The configuration, what they had, I didn't care for. I wanted something larger. I wanted the 10 terabytes, not the 4 terabytes. I think 10 is larger. I have a lot of things going on in the background, a lot of video on my footage I have. I have 900 videos on my channel. So there's tons of footage and they go everywhere. So this is what I have for you. So any questions or any comments, leave down below. Hope it wasn't too long. I just wanted to show you what this was, what it was like, and the actual configuration that I'm going to be using for. I appreciate your time as always. And I'll see you at the next review, and subscribe to the channel, and you'll see when I get those hard drives. Also, got some podcasting equipment coming in, all kinds of cool stuff going on in this world with social media, and it's really quite exciting. So 2024 is going to be awesome. I agree. I think it's going to be really awesome, and there's so much to learn and so much to gain from this.